Hello, Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Good evening, good morning, and good afternoon, depending on your time zone. Yes. What the Southeast leaders are doing is what I call the gathering of the vultures. When vultures gather together, they gather together to devour a carcass. When the Southeast political leaders and their elite gather together, their gathering is not for your good. Their gathering is not for my good. Their gathering is for their own pockets, their immediate families, their friends, and their well-wishers. Most importantly, for their slave masters, the Fulani Caliphate. The Southeast leaders have never gathered before for the interests of the Igbo man. Never. Of recent, they told you, Ekuremadu told us that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be out very soon, that they are working under the scene. They are working silently, and I ask, when the Yoruba world moved out for Sunday Igboho, didn't everybody know? They even traveled to another country. All the traditional rulers in Yoruba land, even the ex-president Obasanjo himself. Have Goodluck Jonathan said anything about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Is he not a Biafran? Afraid of the Fulani Caliphate, as usual. When these leaders, the so-called elites and the political leaders, as we all know, appointed leaders by their masters, by the Fulanis, when they gather, their gathering is not for the interests of the ordinary Igbo man on the street. Their gathering is not for Biafrans, not for Igbo youth. Their gathering is for their slave masters and for their personal gains. When the Southern governors called for a meeting, when the Southern governors met at Enugu, did you see the Southeast governors? They will not gather in such occasion because it will not benefit them. That gathering would have benefited you and I. But because it is against the interests of their leaders, their slave masters, they did not attend that meeting. The meeting was brought to their doorstep, and all the 5 Southeast governors, only the host governor, Ugwuanyi of Enugu, attended. The 4 didn't. Do you understand what is happening? Do you get it? When the gathering is for the interests of the Biafran people, it will be against the interests of the Fulani Caliphate. So don't expect your governors to attend such meeting. You heard what Yorubas are saying boldly, that Omotekun is the state police. They said it openly that regional governments will start with Omotekun. What is the Eastern governors saying? If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being released today, he is being released because of the effort of the Directorate of State, DOS. These are the people who are pressurizing the zoo and the international community, the world leaders that have been pressurizing the zoo government to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It is too shameful. These governors keep telling us that people obey IPOB sit at home simply because the people are afraid. They were afraid of the unknown. That is why they obey the sit at home order. Today is Wednesday the 13th, which means Monday was 10th of October 2021. The military were everywhere in Biafra land. The Nigerian police were everywhere in Biafra land. The DSS were also everywhere in Biafra land. Still, there was sit at home. Everybody sat at home last Monday. Even with the presence of police, DSS and army. So, what will these governors tell us again? Because you told us that people obeyed this at home order simply because the people were afraid of airport militia. But now you have brought in Nigerian security apparatus. Nigerian security are all over Biafra land. Still, people sat at home. What other excuse are you going to give us? DOS is doing a great job. And for their sake, Mazen and the can will be released sooner than later. Yes, will be released. I heard Omar the other day saying that IPOP or those who want Biafra are not in majority, and I challenge him. Omar, give us a referendum. If you believe that one Nigerialists are a majority, through a referendum. It's not by making empty statements. Give us a referendum. That is where we will know who are in majority. But let me tell you this. In every 5 people you see in Igbo land, 4 are IPOB members. And if you are talking about the whole of East, in every 10 people you meet on the street, 9 of them want Biafra. In the whole of the Eastern region. If you doubt me, give us a referendum. I thought that the normal thing is this. When the people you represent, because you guys are representing us, you are the governors, you are the senators, you are members of reps, so you are representing us. But the people you are representing have come out times that number to tell you that they want Biafra. The best thing for you to do is to negotiate Biafra in Abuja. But you're not doing that. Instead, you are doing the bidding of your slave masters. When you come down, you kill Igbo youth. When you come down, you kill IPOB youth. But the Fulanis are not killing their own youth. Even though they have 6 terrorist organizations under their watch. They have Boko Haram, they have Fulani terrorist herdsmen, they have ISWAP, they have this and even the bandits. But you keep killing your own people. Those are them, oh my, Obiano, you will have query. You have questions to answer. I will stop here till when next we shall meet again. Follow Biafrans. Goodbye.